right, we're putting together a bunch of big orders here. A lot of contractors buying sump systems, a lot of homeowners buying sump systems. So I just want to go through them really quick so that people understand what's what, just how many options there really are. We got a really nice catalog, and this is just really going to help people out, I believe. So the Mighty Mini is a 1/3 horse in a full frame bad seed. So you can see just it's got a 30-inch chamber and it's 24-inch high. This is an easy dig for a full frame. Now, if you wanted to jump up to a half horse, you want more grunt, super easy to do. Just go up to the bad seed. They look identical. They both have sump viewers. You can look down inside, make sure that everything's performing well, that there's no issues. You don't have to pop the hood. So that's what's nice about these sump viewers. Here's a better look at that. Now, you can put tape over this, tile tape. Go ahead and put some of the FDM's tile tape over this, and that way mosquitoes won't fly in and you'll end up with larvae and mosquito hatchery. So very simple. Just put a piece of tape over there. Our tile tape, super stretchy, super sticky. You can just look inside, put the tile tape right back over. So now this here, I love this unit for so many reasons. So you're looking at our Mighty Maximum. The description is on the website. If you go to our online store, you'll see all the descriptions. But the Mighty Maximum, this is the longest chamber that we can ship. As you can see, we're using the entire pallet for that. I just love that chamber. You know, it really sets up a homeowner really nice, or contractor. You know, again, you're looking at a 40-inch chamber right there. So now this Mighty Medio, these are a popular item. Boy, we probably, I want to say we sell more Mighty Medios than anything. So we're giving you 40 inches of height in a bad seed with the 30-inch chamber. We got 2 whole rows of these going out. All right, so here's the Screaming Demon in the 55-inch. This is our newest model, by the way. And, you know, we knew we needed it. We knew we needed it. I mean, that's why we had Baughman Tile weld up all those housings for us. This is a Screaming Demon. It's 31 inches tall. It's got the half horsepower plant, sump viewer. You know, it gives everyone that luxury to have a sump and suck the chambers dry. The chambers, I recommend adding length to them. Just buy a coupler with, you know, additional few feet. We can get that on this pallet really easy. We can do 4 feet on this side, 4 feet on the other side. If you want to add 4 feet to each side or 8 feet to one side, you know, super easy to do. So there's our Screaming Demon, and just it's standard platform, 31 inches tall. Here's the newest model of Screaming Demon at 55 inches tall. All right, so here is another really popular one. Check it out. It's 36 inches high, and this is a Screaming Demon Micro. Pretty cool. I love it. I think, you know, it was something that we really needed, because sometimes homeowners are like, hey, I don't want a full frame. You know, to dig and bury one of these full frames, that's a lot of work. And I'm on clay. I'm going to be pickaxing as it is. Well, this is the way to go. A micro Screaming Demon gives you a half horse pump. So you're running the same power plant that the bigger units are. We made it fit, barely. I mean, we squeezed it in, shoehorned it, literally. So 36 inches high. You can put tile tape over the top if you want. That way you don't have to worry about mosquitoes flying in there. You can just pull a piece of tile tape back, and you can check out what's going on inside without having to pop the hood. That's what I like. So we got so much inlet on both sides, and then we have all these half-inch holes drilled in the housings. So honestly, if we had 2 pumps in one housing, it couldn't suck it dry, okay? Too much inlet. Too much inlet. The water would be able to come in faster than you could pump it out, is what I'm trying to say. Because by design, there's that much inlet. Now, this is another option, again, always go to the description in our online store. This is a micro bad seed. Check it out. Pretty cool. So it's an easy dig. You know, when you compare it to a full frame, look at that. So now this one has a 1/3 horsepower. So there's a price point, a really nice price point with this one. 1/3 horse. And if your water problem isn't like Lake Michigan kind of, you know, problem, this will work just fine. And again, when you're getting the 1/3 horse in the micro bad seed, that's what we have here, a micro bad seed with the extended. This one happens to be the extended. We have them 24 inches, and this one's 36 inches. Pretty nice, pretty sweet. So that one's a 1/3 horse, and the only other one that's a 1/3 horse, to keep this simple for you guys, is the Mighty Mini. It has the bad seed housing, super easy dig, 24 inches high, full frame, and a 1/3 horsepower. So price point, really, really good. Everything else is running on 1/2 horsepower. Everything else. Now we're mixing the pumps up. We really are. And unless you just come out and specifically ask for something, you know, most people are just, they know we're going to send them a quality pump. Whether it's, you know, made by Liberty or whether it's made by, you know, the Zoller Pump Company right here in the United States that, you know, that we're starting to endorse because of their catalog, and there's so many pumps to choose from. We're actually doing our own testing and learning how each Zoller pump performs. So we have some up and coming power plants. But with all that being said, we have so many models, this one being the newest, 55-inch Screaming Demon. All right, everybody, till that next video.